Okay, this is boat anchor here with the 2000. I took that board out. It's all in this bag. I just took it out. I don't care what it is. I think what it was an FM. Either that or ham radio station. I don't know. Because I turned that core there and it would change channels. So, yeah, I'm thinking that was some kind of ham operator. Wanted to listen to his ham stuff. Okay, so I took that out and there was a wire going to there, so to the relay for some reason, and I took that crap out and I put the wire back on here. This is still broke. I need to glue the pegs are right there. One of them. Okay, there's the other. Okay, so I keep losing stuff. All right, here we go. Assistant, hold camera. All right, here we go. I hope it comes on and works. And don't explode. Okay. Yeah, I know the battery's about done. Come on. All right. Okay. RF, squelch off, mic up. Okay, there's people on there, but the trouble is I ain't getting no receive. Okay, so I had it in PA. I still need to clean the, okay, AM, okay, it's all back to normal. Alright, there it is. Need to clean it out. Everything's hooked up. Volume's right. I got it right off the bat. That's odd. Okay, so the meters are stuck, of course. I'm going to have to put new meters in it. 10kc switch I kept, channel knob I kept, and this is where that ham crap was, so I took it out. I put a variable power right there, and the push button for the good, bad, and ugly sound I got. Might as well, there's a hole here, so I might as well do it. And yeah, so everything's working. Let's see. Yeah, A&L's working. NB doesn't seem to do anything, but it only works with lightning. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, it's working. Everything's good. I just need to go through it now, clean it all out, blah blah blah, you know, all that. Oh yeah, I put a new channel selector in it. The selector was of course broke. You see that? Yep, that's what it was. It was a broken selector. You know, I could probably vice grip it down, glue it, and possibly put a thin tie thing on it, zip tie, and to hold it all together, and it would probably work. But yeah, hell with that. I just took this out of an old 148. It works. So there it is, 2000, that I took that stupid ham board out Didn't really do anything anyway. And when I keyed up with it on, it would key up at 20 watts. That's why I thought it might be FM, but that's it. Boat Anchor CB radio repair, and we're out of here. Break. More to come later.